Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're killing me. Welcome back to my channel. Stop it! And today, I think I'm gonna vlog, but the sun. I think I'm gonna vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog all day. I'm probably gonna vlog just for a while.
Hi,
But yeah, so today we just got to this
I'm vlogging
trampoline
too.
place.
Follow me, Yaskaili with the G's.
We just got to this trampoline place, and after we do this, we're gonna go eat. Just got out of the place right now. We spent there like 40 minutes, and it's so cold in New York. Oh wait.
I'm getting that car. I'm telling you right now.
What car?
This one right here, the two-door right here, the muscle car right here. That's sexy beast.
That's nice.
It is nice. Go, go.
Ooh, ooh. Supermarket Part Life 7.
This is not supermarket.
Alright, so Dollar Tree
Tree
Part
Part
Life 1.
Part Life,
I
Dollar Tree
mean,
Part 1.
I mean, Dollar Tree Part 1. No. Dollar Tree Life Part 1. Alright, come on.
You need Jesus.
Alright, everyone. Y'all come to Dollar Tree. Y'all find everything for $1. Get everything for $1. Some socks for $1.
This looks cool.
A little egg for $1.
You got other eggs for $1.
Other legs for $1.
Now, this is actually $1.50, okay?
But it's Dollar Tree.
It's not always $1.
We got some little painting things for $1. Okay, let's evacuate. Come on.
Evacuate.
Alright, we got some hats for $1.
We got St. Patrick's Day.
We got some coins for $1. Alright. There's some baskets for $1.
They got Pringles for $1.25.
Let's go. Run. Evacuate the premises. The balls. Evacuate the premises. Hold it.
Chelsea, that man works here. Look over here. My hat. My hat. We spotted a natural animal in his natural habitat.
Let's go. Okay, so now we're gonna go get something to eat. We're in the parking lot from the mall. I kind of want IHOP, but then I kind of want Buffalo Wild Wings, but then I want something else, and I'm just confused. The lighting down here is so bad. It looks nasty. Look at the ceiling. Alright, so once I get there, I'm gonna start filming again. It's like a long way to actually get to the place. I actually thought there wasn't gonna be a lot of people, but there is a lot of people, so I'm planning to leave early because nobody's gonna stay here with all these people just here. And then they're just looking at me weird because I guess nobody vlogs in the mall. Like, I think a lot of people vlog in the mall. we're waiting, even though there's nobody in this IHOP, and we're waiting. Like, that doesn't make sense. If there's nobody in the IHOP, we shouldn't be waiting. I look like I have no neck. I look like I have no neck. I'm just gonna lay here. I'm so tired. We jumped for like 30 minutes, and after we jumped, we went to Dollar Tree because I guess they wanted to buy something from there. Even though there's a Dollar Tree around our house, but the Dollar Tree around our house doesn't have anything, literally anything. But this Dollar Tree had a lot of things, and they wanted to buy stuff for Easter or something. Look at your ears. Look at
But what if they got no storages?
pass me something for
We need food,
I
right?
could eat for the night. You need to get me a blanket. What the? This doesn't even fit me.
Imagine they try to grab something from there. Imagine they try to grab something from there. Ow! Ow! Stand down.
Okay, we gotta find the kids section now.
That's what we're on right now too.
Okay, I think we're going the wrong way.
Oh, look how sexy. Oh my goodness.
Stop. Okay, let's go.
Chelsea.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's some cool looking hula hoops. You suck.
It's working. Alright guys, this is it for today's video. If you guys like the vlog, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Oh my god, look at the little doggy. And it's really cold outside, so bye.
Gone, is it from you?